about 10 to 11 and my thoughts for today. When you're a young man, I'm almost 47, you know there's a lot going on in many different directions. Number one, plant food. That's how I start my day. Going to the store, buying plant food. Why? When you have 200 plants all over the place, you realize they need plant food. 200 plants, maybe about 6 or 7 fig trees, 7 or 8 strawberry bushes, a couple lemon trees, ivies, boom, boom, they need plant food. One. Number two, I buy 240 cases of bananas after I buy the plant food. 240 pounds of bananas, which will last 3 days. Now I'm thinking, what do I do with 240 pounds of bananas? What I do, always, is I give maybe about 10, 15 bananas away for free. I give to kids, I give to anybody who wants to improve their immune system. When we talk about improving your immune system, no one really talks about it. To stay healthy and fit, and have super energy from morning to night. No one talks about improving your immune system. The key is fruit, which is why the last thing I bought today was 5 blackberry bushes. Let's take a look at that. The key is fruit, in my opinion, improve your immune system. The key to beat any disease is fruit. But the thing is, what do doctors recommend? What do they recommend, and what do I recommend? There's a lot of energy right now when taking a, don't want to say it, but they're taking something that will make sure you don't get COVID. COVID is some type of virus that flies through the air, seeking you, and goes into you. That's what they say. I personally think, because I eat mostly fruit, almost impossible for me to get it. Almost impossible. Also have a strong immune system. Almost impossible. Also because I have a positive mental attitude. Almost impossible. Also because I go to bed early. Almost impossible. Also because I rarely eat any meat. I never eat meat, chicken, fish, dairy, eggs. Almost impossible. Almost impossible is my, I'm on mostly a raw vegan diet, mostly fruit, some plant-based system. Almost impossible. What does that mean to you? I don't know. But for me at 74 years old, going on 47, I say, so much energy from morning to night. I got my garden. So I buy plant food for my plants inside. I buy blackberries for my little blackberry patch, which will go near my raspberry patch, which will be near my strawberry patch, which will be near my kale patch, cabbage patch, pickle patch, cucumber patch, Brussels sprout patch, 45 raised beds, 25 pots. That's a lot of work. But the thing is, when you're a young man, you don't mind it. Because you know it's almost impossible for me to get sick, almost impossible for me to get tired. I mean, I do get tired, rarely, but I do get tired. And that's because I don't eat mostly fruit that day. Why am I saying this? Why am I saying this? Why am I saying this? Because I'm pretty much in a minority. So I need a platform. And I'll be pushing my platform pretty much every day. God's love, God's garden, God's body, God's law, the key to staying strong. That has to be understood by at least me. Anyway, going to bed, boom, 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 then Philadelphia tomorrow, then working, boom, boom, stop by to see me, boom, 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 rock and roll, live a dream, super excited, bye.